Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with bestrugprices.com, and today I'm doing a short video to talk about a blog article that we have on our site about Mohawk carpet Smartstrand silk cleaning. So if you've just purchased some Mohawk Smartstrand carpet, you might have heard stories about the fact that you have to clean it a certain way. So we have a blog article on our website that talks about all this, and I'm just really sharing the information with you. So if you have a need of trying to find a vacuum cleaner or how to clean your new carpet, this is a great article for you. What you're looking at is the front page of our website at bestrugprices.com. And on our main page, we have a great site that helps you find affordable everyday area rugs for your home. We break it out in style and size, and it's a very simple site to use. But what we do is we scan the internet on a regular basis and we bring you the best deals. So it's completely free, and would certainly encourage you to check us out if you're in need of an area rug. But on our site also, we have a Ask the Flooring Pro video series. I'll click on that real quickly just to show you what it is. But basically, we have a list of questions, as you can see here, and it's on different floor covering topics. And all you have to do is click one. I'll click this first one here, and eventually, hopefully, it'll load up for you. But then it'll go to a short video to answer your question. So we call that Ask the Flooring Pro, and it's a great resource tool if you have a floor covering question, because odds are we've already published a video about it. Now, okay, so in our Be Floored blog, which is I just clicked here to go over to that, we write all kind of articles on various topics for floor covering. And one of our popular articles is right here, Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. So I'll click on that to kind of show you what it looks like. But in this article, it's just a great article that provides you pretty much everything you want to know about cleaning for Smartstrand carpet, where to get warranty information, how to clean it, do you need a certain vacuum cleaner, pretty much everything you need to know. So I'm going to put the link to this article in the description below this video, so you can check it out if you want to. It's completely free. We don't charge anything, so I'm just sharing information. Okay, so before I go, I want to take you over to the Mohawk site if you want to research this on your own. So this is Mohawk Industries, and they have a lot of different products you can see over here, ceramic, residential carpet, and so on. So to find Smartstrand information, all you have to do is click residential carpet at the top here. I'm well, in the middle of the page, it has the different styles, I guess, of the different carpet they want. I want this one right here that says Mohawk, so I'm going to click that. And at the top here, it says Learn About. So I'm going to click the Learn About button, and it's going to take me eventually to a different screen as soon as my computer decides to load up. And basically what it is down here where it says Learn About Carpet, you have all these choices, and I'm going to click this one right here that says Smartstrand, and it's going to take me to another page for Smartstrand carpet. And here we go. So on this page right here, you can get your information on Smartstrand silk, Silk Reserve, and Color Max from Smartstrand, additional resources that'll give you information on their cleaning brochure, the pet warranty, all kind of useful information if you're looking at this carpet. So it's really easy to find. Again, it's just on the Mohawk website, and it gives you a wealth of information. So I'm going to switch back again to my page on the blog. Again, this is a great article for Smartstrand carpet information. If you're looking to purchase this carpet, or if you've already purchased this carpet and you want to talk about warranty information, how to clean it, and that sort of thing, I highly encourage you to go to the link in the description box below this video, and you can get a wealth of information in this article. Thank you very much.